Bro, I don't even... Why this dude wasting my time? He's not even gonna take my pawn. I can't sit here and analyze. I don't have the time. Look at me, bro. That's crazy. I'm strong. What am I thinking for? I got 19 seconds. What am I trying to analyze? I got no time, bro. Just move, bro. You're the idiot that spent 2.5 minutes in the bathroom. Now you out here trying to solve like world peace. Make a move, clown. If you wanted to think, you shouldn't have spent so much time in the toilet. Stupid. Oh my god, bro. It's unbelievable. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Knight F5. Come on, come on. Let's get a move on, bro. Bro, I'm throwing. Yeah, just Queen F2. Yeah. It's fine. I was probably playing like a... Who would I lose to? Nice, of course. I lost 2,500. Amazing.